Hi everyone. Today I would like to discuss one of the important topic of first PU, circles and conic sections. And this is one of the important topic for JEE aspirants which carries 4 questions, and whereas in CET it carries only 1 question. So let us discuss one by one. Question number 1. The equation of circle in the first quadrant touching each coordinate axis at a distance 1 unit from the origin is. So before going to first question, the general equation of circle is given by x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Center is given by minus g minus f. Radius is given by r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. The given question here, circle touches both axes. Distance 1 unit. So this will be 1, 1. Center 1, 1 and radius 1. So we have to identify this. So therefore x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to r square. If you expand this, you will get x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 1. So that is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So the required equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here 1, 1. Circle touches both axes at unit distance. So therefore option A is the answer. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. We'll go for question number 2. Question number 2 says the equation of circle with center 1, minus 2 and passing through the point of intersection of the lines. So here question number 2, center 1, minus 2 passing through point of intersection of two lines. First line is 3x plus y is equal to 14. Second line 2x plus 5y is equal to 18. Find out the point of intersection of these two lines. The point of intersection of these two lines, after simplification you will get x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. So here the circle having the center 1, minus 2 and passing through the point 4, 2. Find out the radius. Radius is given by Square root of distance formula 4 minus 1 3, 3 square, 2 minus of minus, that is 4, radius is 5. You know the radius and you know the center. This is h comma k, radius 5. So therefore the formula is x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 5 square. You simplify this, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. After simplification, you will get x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. So here very important thing is center, you know, and the point of intersection of two lines. Find out the point of intersection of two lines, that is 4 comma 2. Find out the radius using the distance formula. So finally x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So you will get x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. Option A is the answer. Next one. So next one is related to the parabola. You can observe the area of triangle formed by the lines joining the vertex of the parabola x square is equal to 12y to the ends of latus rectum. Area we have to find, x square is equal to 12y. As you know, x square is equal to 4ay is the parabola which open upwards and latus rectum. So this will be A, B, we have to find the area of triangle OAB. This area of triangle OAB we have to find. So here x square is equal to 12y, 4a is equal to 12, a is equal to 3. So therefore this value is 0 comma 3. This is 3. And the coordinates of latus rectum, this will be 2a comma a minus 2a comma a coordinates. A value is 3, therefore this will be 6 comma 3 minus 6 comma 3. So how to find this area? As you know, area of triangle is half into base into height. Area of triangle AOB is equal to half into, the base is AB, the height is OD, let us take D, half into AB is the distance between A and B. You can find AB using distance formula, that is 6 plus 6, 12 square plus 0, that is 12. 12 into OD distance is 3, 2 6 that is 6 3s are 18 square units. 18 square units. So this is asked in JEE also, same question. Here parabola x square is equal to 12y, parabola open upwards. The coordinates of latus rectum are 6, 3 and minus 6, 3. Area of triangle is given by half into base into height. Base, that is AB, can be find using the distance formula. So therefore half into 12 into 3, that is 18 square units. Next one, coming to next question, the equations of line joining the vertex of the parabola y square is equal to 6x to the points on it. Fourth one, y square is equal to 6x. They have given abscissa as 24. Substitute 24 here. 144. So the y will be plus or minus 12. So the diagram, this is the parabola opening right side O. This is the point 24, 12. This will be 24, minus 12. Let us take P, Q. So what they are asking? Equations of line joining the vertex to abscissa. Equation of OP, equation of OQ they are asking. Equation of OP. So let us take O as 0, 0, x1, y1, P 24, 12, x2, y2. Equation of line joining of 2 points is always given by y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1. Y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1. X minus x1 divided by x2 minus y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1. X minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this will be y is equal to 12 2s are 2y is equal to x. You will get x is equal to 2y. Equations of OQ. Similarly, equation of OQ, you will get 2y is equal to minus x. 2y is equal to minus x. So therefore you will get 2y minus x is equal to 0 or 2y plus x is equal to 0, which implies 2y plus or minus x is equal to 0. 2y plus or minus x is equal to 0. Option B is the answer. Option B, you can observe 2y plus or minus x is equal to 0. Fourth one, next. We'll go for next one. Fifth one, equation of ellipse whose center is at origin and x-axis, major axis which passes through -3, 1 and 2, -2. That is, we have to use x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So actual method is we have to substitute -3, 1 once and 2, -2 once. Instead of that, whenever they give passing through, you can substitute -3, 1 in options. Substitute in the option. What is the first option? 5x square plus 3y square is equal to 32. Substitute in this. 9, 45 plus 3 cannot be equal to 32. You can observe. Substitute x is equal to -3 and y is equal to 1. If it satisfies, then option A is the answer. Option B, 3x square plus 5y square is equal to 32. X is equal to 3, -3, 9, 27 plus 5 always equal to 32. Option B is the answer. Whenever they give passing through, you can substitute x and y. If it satisfies, that option is the required answer. Next one. Read question number 6. The length of transverse axis along x-axis with center at origin of a hyperbola is 7. Transverse axis length of hyperbola 7, nothing but 2a is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 by 2. And passing through the point 5 minus 2. The equation of hyperbola. Now you can observe A should be 7 by 2 and it should passing through 5 minus 2. Here option A you can observe 4 by 49 x square minus 196 by 51 y square is equal to 1. If you substitute 5, -2 in this, you will not get 1. Option A is not the answer. Similarly, option B. Check option C. 4 by 49 x square minus 51 by 196 y square is equal to 1. You can write this as x square by 49 by 4 minus y square divided by 196 by 51 is equal to 1. Substitute 5 minus 2, it will satisfy. That is one condition. And one more is 49 by 4, nothing but a is equal to 7 by 2. A should be 7 by 2 and substitute 5 minus 2. If it satisfies, that is the correct answer. I will repeat once again. Length of transverse axis 2a is equal to 7, a is equal to 7 by 2. Passing through a point given. Whenever passing through a point is given, you should substitute. That is 1. And you should find out a is equal to 7 by 2. So here a is equal to 7 by 2, but it will not satisfy. Whenever it is not satisfying the equation, that is not the answer. So this is the easiest way of finding the solution for passing through problems. We'll go for question number 7. Question number 7. The area of circle centered at 1, 2, passing through 4, 6. Area of circle center 1, 2 and passing through 4, 6. Find out the radius. Area of circle is pi r square. Radius is given by 4 minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square. So this will be 3 square plus 4 square, 5. Therefore area is given by r square, 25 pi. So whenever they give center and passing through a point, find out the radius. When we find out the radius, we know area of circle and circumference of the circle. Area of circle is pi r square. R is equal to square root of 4 minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square, that is 5. Area is given by 25 pi, that is option C. Eighth one, observe eighth one, equation of circle which passes through 3, 6 touches the axis. Circle passing through 3, 6 and touches the axis. Touches coordinate axis. The condition is given by g square is equal to f square is equal to c. The condition for circle touches both axes is g square is equal to f square is equal to c. Find out GFC for each option. Option A, G will be 6 by 2, that is 3. F will be 6 by 2, again 3. C is equal to 3. This condition does not hold good because G square is 9. Similarly, option B, G will be minus 3, F will be minus 3 and C will be minus 9. Here also G square is equal to F square is equal to C is not possible because C value is minus 9 here. Option C, G is equal to minus 3, F is equal to minus 3 and C is equal to 9. So here G square is minus 3 square 9, F square is minus 3 square 9, which is equal to 9. G square is equal to F square is equal to C. So therefore option C, the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0 is the option. Here conditions are very important. Take question number 9. Equation of circle with center on y-axis. Center on y-axis nothing but g is equal to 0. Center on y-axis. And then passing through origin. Passing through origin condition, c is equal to 0. And passing through a point 2, 3. As I told you, whenever passing through condition is there, so try to substitute the given point in the option. Now you can observe g is equal to 0 and c is equal to 0. Let us check option A. Option A, you can observe x square plus y square plus 13y is equal to 0. So here g is 0. If you substitute 2 and 3, you will not get 0. B, 3x square 3y square plus 13x plus 3. Here also if you substitute 2, 3, you won't get 0. Option C, 3x square 3y square minus 13y is equal to 0. Check it. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. 3 into 4 plus 3 into 9 minus 13 into 3. So this will be equal to 0. So therefore option C is the answer. Easily you can find out the circle problems or straight line problems by substituting the given point in the option. So therefore option C is the answer. We'll go for next. Next, question number 10. Equation of circle with origin as center and passing through vertices of equilateral triangle whose median is of length 3a. So here center origin and passing through vertices of equilateral triangle. A, B, C. ABC is an equilateral triangle. One of the median is 3A. Let us take D. AD is equal to 3A. Equation of circle they are asking. They have given one hint. Centroid of a triangle coincides with center of the circle. If you find the centroid for this circle, it coincides with origin, and radius of the circle is always given by 2 by 3 times length of the median. The length of the median is 3a. 3 get cancelled, you will get 2a. Now you can observe 2 by 3 times length of the median. The length of the median is 3a. 3 get cancelled, 2a. Radius is 2a, center is origin. So therefore x square plus y square is equal to r square. X square plus y square is equal to 4a square. So therefore the option C is the answer. So here I will repeat once again. Equation of circle having center origin and passing through the vertices of equilateral triangle. They have given equilateral triangle. median, the median of the triangle is 3a. They have given one hint, centroid coincides with center and radius is equal to 2/3 of the median, 2/3 of 3a, that is 2a. X square plus y square is equal to r square, x square plus y square is equal to 4a square. Question number 11. Observe question number 11. If the focus of the parabola is 0, minus 3, focus minus a, 0, minus a, and directrix y is equal to 3. You can observe y is equal to a. Focus 0, minus 3. When you are getting 0, a, x square is equal to 4ay. 0, 4ay nothing but 0, minus 3, and this will be y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. So this is 3, this is also 3. So therefore x square is equal to minus 4ay. X square is equal to minus 4ay. X square is equal to minus 4, a is 3 into y. X square is equal to minus 12y. So here very important is 0, a is the focus of x square is equal to 4ay, and 0, minus a is the focus of x square is equal to minus 4ay. You know a value, substitute a value, you will get x square is equal to minus 12y. X square is equal to minus 12y. Next one. Twelfth one. Read the question number 12. If the parabola y square is equal to 4ax passes through the point 3, 2, then its length of latus rectum. Y square is equal to 4ax, parabola open right side, passing through 3, 2, xy, substitute 2 square 4a3. So therefore a is equal to 1 by 3. 4 cancel, a is equal to 1 by 3. So they are asking length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is always 4a. 4 into 1 by 3, that is equal to 4 by 3. Since they have given passing through a point, substitute 3, 2 in y square is equal to 4ax. So length of latus rectum is 4 by 3. So read the question number 13. if the vertex of the parabola is at the point minus 3 comma 0 and the directrix, then the equation. So before going to this problem, so I will tell you very important thing. In first year you studied the parabola, ellipse, hyperbola with vertex 0 comma 0, and this problem belongs to, if it is y square is equal to 4ax, vertex origin, if I write y minus k whole square 4a into x minus h, nothing but other than origin. Vertex is other than origin. Similarly, y square is equal to minus 4a into x minus h, and x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. All four will be different. You can observe here, vertex is given as minus 3 comma 0. Vertex. And directrix given as x is equal to minus 5. So here, whenever x is equal to minus 5, parabola open right. X is equal to, this is x is equal to minus a. Whenever x is equal to a, parabola open left, vertex minus 3 comma 0. So whenever they give vertex, substitute in the four options. Substitute in the four options. That is, this is x value and this is y value. If you substitute x is equal to minus 3, option A and C satisfies. You can observe, substitute x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 0. Option A, that is y square is equal to 8 into x plus 3. Option C, y square is equal to minus 8 into x plus 3. So both will satisfy, because x is equal to minus 3, RHS becomes 0, y is equal to 0. Both will satisfy. So then how to conclude the correct option? Now x is equal to minus a. Whenever x is equal to minus a, parabola open right. Whenever parabola open right, y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. So therefore y square is equal to 8 into x plus 3 is the answer. If it is x is equal to plus 5, we have to select C. Question number 13, I will repeat once again. This is a very important concept. Here vertex is other than origin. Whenever vertex is other than origin, we have to introduce h and k. Y square is equal to 4ax, nothing but y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. So vertex given, directrix given. Substitute, whenever vertex is there, substitute minus 3 comma 0 to the options. Option A and C satisfies, but x is equal to minus a, nothing but parabola open right. So this will be y square is equal to 8 into x plus 3. So question number 14. Question number 14. The equation of ellipse whose focus is 1 minus 1, directrix is x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. 14. Focus, yes, 1 minus 1. Directrix x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. eccentricity E is equal to 1 by 2. So here this type of problems, so we have to solve using the definition. Definition is PS by PM is equal to E. So here PS nothing but distance between P of xy and S 1 minus 1. PM is the perpendicular distance from P of xy to directrix. So now PS x minus 1 whole square y plus 1 whole square PM, that is straight line formula, x minus y minus 3 divided by square root of 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So here PS distance formula, PM is the perpendicular distance, eccentricity. You cross multiply this, cross multiply and simplify using a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. So you will get option A. Option A. After simplification, you will get option A. And this type of question they will ask in JEE. I will repeat once again. Yes, focus they have given, directrix, eccentricity E is equal to 1 by 2, PS distance between the point and the focus, PM perpendicular distance, PS formula distance formula, PM perpendicular distance, eccentricity. Cross multiply and simplify, you will get option A. Fifteenth one. The length of lateral rectum of the ellipse 3x square plus y square is equal to 12. So divide by 12. You will get x square by 4, y square by 12 is equal to 1. Here A is less than B. Length of lateral rectum formula 2a square by b. 2b square by a is for a greater than b. For a less than b, the formula is 2a square by b. So here a square value is 4, b value is root 12. 8 divided by 2 root 3, that is 4 divided by root 3. Now you can observe, whenever a less than b, 2a square by, whenever a greater than b, 2b square by a. Here 2 4s, 4 by root 3 is the length of lateral rectum. Go through question number 16. The eccentricity of the ellipse. Again they have given a less than b. A less than b. x square by a square, y square by b square, a less than b. Whenever a is less than b, the formula is given by a square is equal to b square into 1 minus e square. Option B is the answer. Whenever a less than b, a square is equal to b square into 1 minus e square. If it is a greater than b, so this will be b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. You should note down these two formulas. So here in NCERT they have given c by a for eccentricity and all. A little bit difference is there. B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. 16. After that, 17th one. 17th, the eccentricity of the hyperbola whose latus rectum is 8 and conjugate axis to be half of distance between the foci. This is conjugate axis. So distance between the foci. Distance between the foci. Now you can observe 2b square by a is equal to 8. 2 4s are. B square is equal to 4a. B square is equal to 4a here. 2 get cancelled. 2b is equal to a, or b square is equal to a square e square by 4. Let us call equation 1 equation 2. Now observe, very important thing is they have given latus rectum. Latus rectum length is 8. 2b square by a is equal to 8 and length of conjugate axis half of distance between the foci. 2b is equal to half of 2a. By 1 and 2 you will get 4a is equal to a square e square by 4. You simplify this. A will be 16 by e square. A value 16 by e square. We know that b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. This is for hyperbola. For hyperbola, b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. Substitute in this. B square is 4a, a square, e square minus 1, a get cancelled, 4 is equal to, again a value 16 by e square minus 1. So cross multiply this. 4 e square is equal to 16 e square minus 16. So this will be 12 e square is equal to 16. E will be, that is 4 4s are 4 3s are e square. E is equal to 2 by root 3. So here there are 2 to 3 important formulas. One is latus rectum formula 2b square by a. Another one conjugate axis 2b, distance between foci 2a. B square is equal to 4a and b square is equal to a square e square by 4. Equate these two. After equating, you will get a is equal to 16 by e square. Next, b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. A get cancelled. 4 is equal to, A value is what? 16 by E square. Cross multiply this. 4E square is equal to 16E square minus 16. After simplification, you will get E square is equal to 4 by 3. E is equal to 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 nothing but option C is the answer. So in conic section, knowing the formulas is very important thing. Eighteen is very important one. The distance between foci of the hyperbola is 16. And eccentricity is root 2. 2 8s are A into root 2 is equal to 8. A is equal to 8 by root 2. You can write B square, this is for hyperbola, A square into E square minus 1. So you can find out B square. A square value 64 by 2. 64 by 2 is 2 minus 1. B square is 64. This is 32. B square is 32. B square 32 and A value you know. Substitute x square by A square minus y square by B square is equal to 1. Now you can observe 2A is equal to 16. 2A is equal to 16. A is equal to 8. E is equal to root 2. So therefore A is equal to 8 by root 2. B square is equal to A square into E square minus 1. A square value 64 by 2, that is 32. So now substitute in this. A square, that is 64 by 2, that is 32, minus y square by 32 is equal to 1. You can write this as x square minus y square is equal to 32. And this is called rectangular hyperbola. You can observe x square minus y square is equal to 32. So without doing this, we can say directly x square minus y square is equal to 32. Whenever this is of the form x square minus y square is equal to a square, eccentricity is always root 2. So this type of structure for question number 18 is option A only. Whenever eccentricity is root 2, that is for rectangular hyperbola, x square minus y square is equal to a square. You can directly tell the option. The last one, 19. Read the question 19. Equation of hyperbola with eccentricity 3 by 2 and foci plus or minus 2, 0. So plus or minus AE, 0. So now you will get AE is equal to 2, which implies A into 3 by 2 is equal to 2. A is equal to 4 by 3. A is equal to 4 by 3. So B square is equal to A square into E square minus 1. that is 16 by 9. E value 9 by 4 minus 1, this will be b square. So b square will be 20 by 9. B square value 20 by 9. A will be 4 by 3. So therefore x square by a square, that is 16 by 9, minus y square by 20 by 9 is equal to 1 is the answer. So this is option A. Option A. For option A, you multiply 9 by 4. Option A. If you multiply 9 by 4, you will get x square by 16 by 9, y square by 20 by 9. Option A is the correct answer. That is, you can simplify this as x square by 4, y square by 5 is equal to 4 by 9. Option A is the correct answer. I will explain. E is equal to 3 by 2 eccentricity. They are given foci AE, 0. AE is equal to 2. E is 3 by 2 is equal to 2. A is equal to 4 by 3. Since this is hyperbola, b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. B square is equal to 16 by 9. 9 by 4 minus 1. Simplify this. 16 by 9, 20 by 9, you will get option E, x square by 4 minus y square by 5 is equal to 4 by 9. So go through important formulas of the circles and conic section. It will help you to solve easily in the CET exam. Okay. Thank you, students.